Alrighty, Patrick, here's your 347 small block Ford. Your description is combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic motor. Some oil pan, Edelbrock manifold, Brawler carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got your black cap on there. Going to make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,700, 403 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 449, peak horsepower 502, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple other things. Receiver engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information to the engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have the engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. Click on that, it'll take you some more tech stuff. So I recommend watch all this. Have a great day.